Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. I'm Darcel Deneau. This is a course in basic drawing skills. As an artist with a painting background, I feel it's important to understand the essential principles of drawing. In this course, I will teach 3 different segments. I'll do a brief overview of drawing in organic form, 1-point perspective, and a 2-point perspective. There are a lot of artists that are afraid of drawing, and with these techniques, you'll gain the skills to draw or make any drawing suitable for mosaic art. Starting with an organic form, I'll demonstrate how to crop the image to get the best balanced composition. Once the image is cropped, I will share a very simple formula for drawing the image to the proportion of your working surface. Next, I will use a photo reference to teach you how to draw an image in 1-point perspective. I'll show you how to find the horizon line and the vanishing point. Both of these elements can be used in many different applications. In the final segment, I'll break down the basics of drawing an image in 2-point perspective. I'll demonstrate the skills you'll need to be able to draw buildings, windows, and sidewalks with depth and dimension. Once you've learned these techniques, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to draw any image you desire for your next mosaic art project. I've included a PDF of the tools and materials, so let's get started.
Darcel, thank you so much for coming to Mosaic Arts Online and bringing this really essential course. I am such a firm believer in having the fundamentals of art, something to offer our students.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, and you felt very strongly about this as well and knew that having a simple drawing course could really help our students. So let's talk a little bit about what made you choose each of these 3 segments.
I was just trying to find really basic drawing skills so that it wasn't an intimidating class. Anybody could take it, and knowing these things are so basic and they're really useful tools.
Yes, and having the 2 other courses you have with us, the perspective drawing and now urban landscape, this is going to be a great addition to those students' toolbox.
Yeah, it kind of breaks down things just a little bit more, yet it still keeps things in a loose form because we're doing this for a mosaic, so we just want a loose sketch. We want to be able to do that on our own. We can have improved compositions if we do it this way by cropping it and getting the right image.
Well, and I think it's incredible with the chicken image, which is one of the Mosaic Arts Online chickens that lives here, is really great how it's really, like you said, it's mark making. It's almost a color by numbers kind of mentality that if you break it down into each of those grids, it's kind of a no-brainer.
Definitely.
And then with the 1-point perspective over here, it really is amazing. This may look like an intimidating photo, but she, again, breaks it down into something so simple.
Yeah, I just give an overview just to point out that that's how you find the vanishing point. That's how you find the horizon line, and how to make some of the structures have some dimension. And a lot of people just need to see it, and that's what we hope to accomplish here.
Yes, and I would say it's almost like magic. And now I have seen 3 courses here that I have filmed of Darcel's, and to see each time the magic of the 2-point perspective and how using these vanishing points and just putting either T-square or a ruler to them, and oh my God, all of a sudden you have perception, you have depth. It's just unbelievable how really simple it can be.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun doing that. And
you did.
It's simple. It's almost like a little formula. And once you get that and you have that knowledge, you can apply it to lots of different things.
Well, and I'm excited to see what all of our students use this for in creating their either organic form, 1-point perspective, or 2-point perspective. So is there anything else you'd want to add?
No, but I would encourage a lot of artists, mosaic artists, to take this so that you have better drawing skills, and thank you.
Yes, thank you.